Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna teach you how to connect Botpress with Twilio so that your AI chatbot can chat with users via SMS once they fill out a form such as a Facebook ads form. Okay, hello, this is a demo and let's imagine this is a Facebook ad and I'm the lead or I'm the user, so it says to put in my phone number and that's what I'm gonna do. Put my phone number in and click submit. And now the AI salesman within a maximum of 15 minutes will be able to contact me via SMS so he can answer my questions and help me book a meeting. But right now, since it's a demo, I'm gonna activate it manually by clicking run once, and I received the message. It says send from your Twilio trial account, and it says this because I have a free Twilio account, but for your case, if you don't have a free Twilio account, then you'll be good. And it says, hello, welcome to our design agency, Apple Designs. I'm an AI assistant, how can I help? So I'm gonna ask it a question now, like, and don't worry about typos or slang, it will understand because it's AI. And it says we offer two main services, which are website design and logo design. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna ask it, same again with typos, with bad grammar, doesn't matter. And it says we accept PayPal and Visa payment methods. Okay, that's great. And let's say I want to book a meeting now. I want, or a call or whatever. And it's just great, you can pick a date and time here to have a quick conversation with our team. And you can have your Calendly link here. And now I'm gonna say thanks. No problem, if you have any more questions, please let me know. Okay, so this was the demo, and this is what you can possibly be doing. Okay, and the software or program or tool we'll be using for this will be Botpress to actually create the AI salesman, and Twilio so the AI salesman can send SMS, and make.com or Zapier if you want, to actually connect all the apps together. This video is aimed more towards how to connect your AI salesman so that it actually can send SMS by connecting it with Twilio and Make. So first of all, you're gonna click on your bot and you're gonna click on integrations. In my case, I have Twilio, but you won't have Twilio, so you're gonna go browse in the hub, and then you just click on Twilio and install it. In my case, I already have it installed, so I don't have to do it. And now you will click on enable integration and save configuration. You will have your webhook URL, your account SID and authentication token. In my case, I already have my account SID and authentication token, but you won't. So for that, you're gonna go to your Twilio account once you have created your Twilio account, of course. And first of all, you're gonna have to create a Twilio phone number, which you can get for free with the free Twilio trial. And I'm gonna leave a short video below in the description so you can actually set up your free Twilio phone number. It's really easy. And once you have it, you can scroll down and you can see account SID and authentication token. And what you will do is just copy all of these into your Botpress. So copy it into account SID and authentication token and then save configuration. And then after that, you go back to your Twilio and go to messaging services. Okay, after services, you go to create messaging service and you name it as you want it to. I'm gonna name it YouTube test. And you have to pick a reason, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna click on notify my users and then click on create messaging service. Once that's done, you will add senders. So this is where you actually pick the phone number. So you click on phone number and then you pick the phone number you have previously acquired. Click on the box and just add phone numbers. After that, let it load and then click on setup integration. In this section, you just want to leave everything as it is and then add compliance info. Once you're here, you can just click on complete messaging service setup, and this is just like a law for the United States that you need to be approved for this A2P10 DLT so that you can actually send SMS in the United States, because if you don't, I'm pretty sure your messages won't get passed and you're probably gonna get flagged. But since this is a test, I'm gonna click on complete messaging service setup. And then you click on view my new messaging service. Don't click on trying sending a message. Okay, now once that's done, you just click on save it again just in case, and now click on sender pool. And in sender pool, click your phone number. Just click the number And when you're here, you just scroll down until you see a message comes in, webhook, and in here you should paste your Botpress webhook, which is here. For that, you just paste it and click on save. Once that's done, once you click on save, you're pretty much good to go, and you just need to complete the make.com integration. So once you're in make.com, you go to scenarios and create a new scenario. So I'm gonna click on the plus, which basically adds a trigger, and my trigger in this case was a Google form, but make.com also has the Facebook trigger. As you can see, it says Facebook lead ads, and it says you will have to click on new leads. So every time a new lead actually fills out the lead ad form, they will send an SMS. So you can just connect your Facebook account with this. It's very easy to do, but in my case, I don't have a Facebook campaign right now. So for this example, I'm going to do it with a Google form. So you just type Google, and you'll be able to see Google Forms here. And now you have a lot of triggers. You need to click on the watch responses trigger. So you click on that, and now you have to connect it with your Google account in which you have your Google form. In my case, I already connected it. And in form ID, so you click on search and you type in exactly the exact name you have in your Google form. In my case, my Google form is named test, so I'm gonna type test in, and it should fill the form ID in. And for limit, you will need to reduce it to 1, or else it will send double the messages, and you don't want that. So just click on OK, and you have your trigger ready. So let's click on save and let's test the trigger. So I'm gonna go to the Google form, submit another response. So I'm gonna put in my number again and press submit. And you have to click on run once. And as you can see, it's got the thing. So you can see my phone number is here. So the data passed in correctly. And now that we're sure of that, you can add another module, which in this case will be the Twilio. So you can send messages. So it says create a message, which is exactly what we want to do, send a message. And now you will click here and connect your Twilio account. I already have my Twilio account connected, so no need now. And then you're gonna click on send a message from a phone number. And of course, this is the phone number you have selected in your Twilio account. So it's right here in my case. And now this is the number that the AI salesman will send a message to. And as you can see here, we can map it from the data that got into the Google form. Everything that I'm talking about will be the exact same with the Facebook ads. So you will have a lot of values here. And as you can see, we have a parameter called phone number, which is exactly what we have in the Google form, which is phone number 2. So we are going to click on this little arrow because the values appear on the right and the number isn't here, so we're going to dig a bit deeper. Text answers, and you can see the number here and the value. So this is like we're going to map the data. And now for body, it's the message that the AI salesman will initially send. So let's type in hi. Alright, so we wrote the body, which is the first message that the AI salesman will send. And oops, it says, hi, I'm an AI salesman from Apple Designs. I saw you were interested. How can I help? Then you just click on OK, and then you press on save. Once that's done, you have to actually turn on. In my case, it's already on. You just turn it on, press save, and in this thing, it's a scheduler. So it actually triggers every 15 minutes, and if within those 15 minutes there were people that submitted the form, then it will trigger it. So that's why I said in the beginning that you have to wait a maximum of 15 minutes so the AI salesman can actually send you the message. That can be 1 minute or 15 minutes, that depends. So you have everything ready, and let's try it one more time. Okay, so now we're gonna click on run once, and it should send me a message, and of course it sends me the message. Send from your Twilio trial account. Hi, I'm an AI salesman from Apple Designs. I saw you were interested. How can I help? And of course you can ask the question again. What payment method you accept? And it says we accept PayPal and Visa payment methods. Okay, so everything is perfect. Thank you guys, so this was everything. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. And if you want to learn more about ways to automate things with AI, then subscribe and follow me on TikTok, where I basically post every day. And since this is my first video, I'll greatly appreciate if you can like and comment something so that the YouTube algorithm hopefully picks my video up.